First thing you want to do when you're creating a quick button, you need to go into mode 5, press OK. Then go to configuration.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
Device configuration, device operation, then turn key programming to enabled. Then you can go back into mode 9, press OK, and then hit your quick button. And since we have a spot right here open, I'm going to set a quick button right there. So hit set and then the empty spot. You can assign a PLU to that key, or you can assign a GXNet command key. That's either a stop, a start, or turning on a label or turning off a label. So we'll assign a PLU to that key first. Press OK. In your legend, that's what you want to call your PLU. So for this one, I'm just going to call it VBS. Then hit exit. And if I had a logo, I could put that in here. For your authorization level, if you have it set to free, you can open it at any time. You don't have to be in any certain mode. And you want to make sure your key activated is checked. And here, your PLU number, so you can enter that in. Press OK, press OK. And now when I hit this VBS button, it will load up PLU number 22. And after you do all this, you want to hit your return button, go back into mode 5, press OK, go into configuration, device operation, and turn your key programming back to disabled. Otherwise, if you leave it on, the operator can hit the set button and start changing all your quick buttons.